Live people ignore the strange and unusual. I myself am strange and unusual. Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice! It's showtime! Hello! Today I am going to be reviewing the handbook for the recently deceased eyeshadow palette from Hot Topic. I got this super long time ago and I had an idea to do a video for a while, a first impressions, like get ready with me, a Beetlejuice look, if you will. But it's just been sitting there for a while and tonight's the perfect night. It's Friday, I'm home alone, it's time. But first, for today's cocktail and cosmetics pairing, we have a lovely Beetlejuice. It is made with a melon liqueur, a splash of amaretto, some club soda, and a fuckload of love. Wrong pipe! Refreshing. Okay, review time! When I saw this online, I was like, oh, Sam, I need it. I need it in my life. I don't care if it's junk. I don't care if there's no pigment. I don't care if it haunts my house. I don't care if it floods my basement. I don't care. It does flood my basement a little bit, if you know what I mean. I need it in my collection. I need it in my life. I need it in my heart and soul. So, looks like this. Like a book. And then there's a nifty little mirror in it, which is nice. And 12 shades. I'm gonna start with swatches and then we'll get into the look. So I'm gonna swatch Afterlife, Juno, and Dante's Inferno first. It looks pretty powdery on my fingers, but let's see how this goes. Oh yeah, it's real powdery, but the pigment's pretty good. And then I'm gonna swatch Lydia, Beetlejuice, and Miss Argentina. Shrunken Head, Bio-Exorcist, and Dark Room. It's Showtime, Sandworm, and Strange and Unusual. Cool. I think I can work with these. So I'm gonna rip my face off gently with a makeup remover. And we'll be right back. I'm back. I held up my face a bit with some light foundation. Looking like the ghost with the most already. I'm going to start with Dark Room. So right off the bat I'm noticing that there's not a lot of pigment. I'm just gonna go around like my orbital bone with this color. I'm finding it's a little buildable. That's good. I think I wanted to try some of the green. Maybe I'll contour with the greens. Contour brush, where do we find a contour brush? That'll do. Maybe we'll start with Beetlejuice. That's a more like lighter limey green. Okay. Okay. Ooh, I look sickly. Goes with the most, baby. But I really want to bring it out a little bit more, so I'm gonna go with Bio-Exorcist, this guy here. It's a little teal-y kind of. I want to try and use as many colors as I can in here, so maybe I'll darken up the eyes a little bit with It's Showtime.
Beetlejuice. It's showtime.
Take some Afterlife, the white, it's a little bit shimmery as well, and I'm going to finger that on my cheekbones. You know what? This is kind of a nice highlight. Gonna go in with that purple dark room. Cheers. So I've taken a sponge and ripped like little holes in it. And I'm going to try and kind of replicate that mossy look that Beetlejuice so beautifully adorns upon his face. I'm gonna wet it a little bit. I'm gonna go in for that with Miss Argentina. I want to see the texture. Maybe we can deepen up these cheekbones a little bit with some Strange and Unusual. Put it in the back here of the cheekbones to really deepen them up. Wow, this is really getting to me. I should have ate dinner. So I'm gonna grab some different colors and maybe deepen up that eye socket a little bit. Put her away for now. I'm taking a purple from the Zulu Juvia's Place palette. Kind of want it darker around the outer corners, and then I'm gonna have a lighter, more highlighted shade in the centers of the eyes. No! Originally, it imagined Beetlejuice as a winged demon whose human form was that of a small Middle Eastern man. And his plan for the Dietzes was more about rape and murder than mischief and marriage. Also, the Maitland's car crash was far more gruesome. Oh my god! I'm gonna use this shimmer veil from Cover FX in Amethyst. I'm just gonna kind of paint it in the center. Maybe we'll put a lip on. We'll play with the lip. Play with the lip, see how that goes. I have a lip hybrid from House of Beauty. Look at this stuff. It's so cool. So, ooh, do you see? Oh! Maybe I will take an eyeshadow and line my lips. Then I'm gonna go in with that House of Beauty Python Green lip color. There's like a really pretty light green in the Zulu palette. And then I'm just gonna finger on the pout a little bit to see if it'll give me a little more dimension. Okay, so here's what happened. I got a little tipsy on the Beetlejuice. It is 2 days later. I never did film an outro and I never did finish. What I did do was get highly inebriated and I spoke a lot of jibber jabber, a lot of nonsensical bullshit, and ate pancakes. That's what I did. So I thought I would try and salvage this video and continue on 2 days later. I have the same shirt on for continuity purposes because I'm a professional. I'm drinking a smoothie with frozen fruit and coconut water only. Maybe I'll insert a few clips so you could see the shenanigans that ensued. Okay, Sammy Davis Jr. as Beetlejuice, rapist, murderer. Stop this video right now. Don't return to it because it's the rest of it's garbage. I guarantee. I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller, but I can guarantee by almost 100% certainty that the rest of it's garbage. I need to get more disgusting. Like, I need to get more disgusting. What am I thinking? I mean, in all fairness, I can see like half of me. Do I really have like a man hairline? No! No! Shit, fuck, shit, fuck, mother, fuck. Like, eat 3 dicks. Don't eat. Okay, you'll get full. You might not. I don't know how famished you are or insatiable you are. Eat at least 3 dicks because fuck you. Anyways, I'm a professional woman. And like fuck, Bob's your uncle. You're gonna sit here and watch me eat some pancakes right now. For like 5 minutes. Fine. It's so good! So there's 2 substantial pieces of pancake that have fallen on the floor, and there is about 3 substantial hairs. I'll be right back with the finished look. Bye. Okay. So Drunk Vicky had a good idea to do a Sugar Skull Beetlejuice type look. So I'm gonna continue on with that and hopefully salvage this video. I was thinking about doing around my eyes in a black and white. So we're gonna do that. I think I'm gonna start with white. Cool. And we'll try and get the other eye even. Okay, and now I'm gonna go around with black and kind of make stripes. Okay, so both eyes are done. Looking pretty Beetlejuicy. I'm gonna do like a Sugar Skull kind of nose. I think I'm gonna do it with like the greens kind of like in my lips to give it a nice netherworld green glow. Okay, so that's kind of the nose. I'm gonna just shade out the nose a little bit more. Okay, so then I think I'm just gonna go with like the classic spider web up here. Maybe use purples and greens and I don't know, see how that goes. Symmetry is not my strong suit. Okay, so that's done. Now we're gonna just move on to the mouth situation. Okay, so I drew on some lines and did the mouth a little bit. I think what I want to do, I have these little beetles, and I think I kind of want to put them here. Kind of acts as the hollows of the cheek. So I'm gonna attach those. All right, the beetles are on. I'm gonna do a little something special for the rest of my chin and such, and accessorize and get dressed. And the next time you see me, it'll be done. We'll actually do an outro. And it'll probably be darker in here because it'll be nighttime by then. We'll be right back. All right, so the look is finally complete. I am adorning my Beetlejuice fascinator that I made a couple years ago. What I did with the chin is a sandworm. Love a good sandworm. Accessorize a little bit, and that is the look. I utilize this a lot. The greens and the purples. I think that it's a good enough palette. But I mean, look how freaking cute that is. Anyways, we'll see you next time. If you see Michael Keaton, tell him I say hello. Okay, bye! Say bye, Mr. Giggles! Did I come and you and go home? Day! Me say day, me say day, me say day, me say day, me say day. Oh. Did I come and you and go?